let's continue. We will start with the area of the triangle OBC, which is the base. Look here, the base is OB times the height, which is BC, divided by 2. Okay, OB is 5 times BC, which is 10, divided by 2. The answer is 25. This is the main area. Now we want to remove the area of ABC. Look at the area here, which is colored in green. This is the area of ABC. It is integral y dx, where the x starts at 3 and ends at 5. And y is the equation of the curve. So integral of y curve, we are going to expand it. X squared minus 3x dx, where x starts at 3 and ends at 5. Now we will do the integration. X to the power 3 over 3 minus 3x squared over 2 for x starting from 3 and ending at 5. Now we need to substitute the points. We will start with the 5. So 5 cubed over 3 minus 3 times 5 squared over 2. And now we finished the first value. Minus. Now for the lower value. 3 cubed over 3 minus 3 times 3 squared over 2. We simply substituted the upper and the lower limits instead of x. Okay, now for the first part, we have 125 over 3 minus 75 over 2. This is for the first term. Minus 27 over 3 minus 27 over 2. We are going to start with the first two values. It is 25 over 6 minus 27 over 6. Both have the same denominator, which is 6. So 25 minus times minus is plus 27 over 6. The value is 52 over 6. We can simplify by 2 above and below. So the value is 26 over 3. So the area that is shaded in green is 26 over 3. Now we substitute the values in the main equation. Area of triangle OBC is 25 minus area of ABC, which is 26 over 3. Now we solve the fractions normally. We have a common denominator, which is 3. 25 times 3 is 75, so 75 minus 26 over 3. The value is 49 over 3, or a compound fraction, which is 16 1/3. This is the area of the shaded region, which is between the straight line, the x-axis, and the curve. Pay attention that sometimes we might need to use the area of the triangle, just like we did here. As a recap, we first calculated the big area, which is the triangle OBC. It is base times height over 2. Then we calculated the green shaded area, which is ABC, where the boundaries are from 3 to 5. And we subtracted them from each other in order to get the area of region OAC. Here we can't say y1 minus y2 because we have 3 curves and not 2. The straight line, the x-axis, and the curve. That is why we had to use logical thinking.